Hey guys, it's Aaron here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the secret to clothing brand success on Facebook. Okay, so number one is to build a brand while marketing and advertising.
That's what I'm talking about, baby. No hassles.
Anyone can turn on Facebook ads, but most people are not focused on a few components when it comes to success long term. You need to be creating content consistently for your audience. This is actually the fifth pillar on e-com accelerator process, and we talk in depth about creating content every single day for your target audience. We talk in depth about creating content every single day for your target audience with high quality photos and videos. Put this as the main focus in your business, and you're gonna see yourself stand out against everyone else online. If you want our free lookbook on how to take better pictures for your online store, comment lookbook down below.
There you will learn from Yoda, the Jedi Master who instructed me.
All right, guys, before we get on to number two, I just want to say welcome to everybody new and those who are returning to the channel. My name is Aaron Pearson. I'm one of the co-founders here at Bit Branding, and we've been helping frustrated store owners just like you since 2015 become impactful store owners through tutorials, tactics, and strategies. And if you found value in this video or later on, whenever you get to this point, if you find value, just make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell because we put out content every single week to keep you updated in your business. All right, so number two, and what has become even more popular and likely is the future, is trending topics, memes, and UGC, which is user-generated content to help you tell your brand story. It's so much easier to reach more people when someone else shares your content that they relate to. When someone else shares your content that relates to them and probably their friends' friends too, it helps you reach ultimate impact or a viral effect. As a pro tip, make sure that you're selling the lifestyle, not the product. All right, and if you're one of those people who are already running Facebook ads and want to scale, make sure that you check out our video on how to scale your Facebook ads in 5 minutes. It's around here somewhere. If you think this is insightful, wait until I show you our secret campaign that most online stores never run. All right, number three, and now that you have the rhythm for your content and you know your audience and you're getting great engagement with your brand, it's time to start building your first Facebook ad campaign. You have to eventually pay to play to reach more people and scale your brand. All right, guys, the moment you've been waiting for, I feel like this is a drum roll part, the pièce de résistance, I think is how you say that.
Pièce de résistance.
La pièce de résistance.
Pièce de résistance.
Hopefully. Anyway, brace yourselves. This is the most important piece. If you get anything from this video, make sure that you stop, slow down, whatever it is, grab your notes to check out number four, because this is the most important part of growing your clothing brand. All right, number four, let's jump into Facebook Ads Manager. For this one, I want to share with you guys what it looks like on the campaign level. It's a mobile-only play, so these types of campaigns are called collections. I'm going to walk you through a quick setup for this account and show you what it looks like. Notice all of this social proof. Hey guys, so we're just now jumping into Ads Manager, and you can see that this campaign is set up as a conversion campaign. It must be a conversion campaign for a collection to work effectively. I'm not gonna go into the ad sets or the ads or anything like that because we have tons of other videos about those, about how to set up a Facebook ad campaign. But I wanna show you what this looks like, and so you know that you're going to set it up correctly. So the main thing that needs to be done is on the ad level. Well, first off, make sure that you click your correct brand if you have Instagram on there. Untoggle the dynamic formats. Scroll down until you hit collection. And for most of you guys who are running product-based businesses, you're gonna choose this template, which is a storefront. There is an option to do custom. There's a lot of options inside of here, but don't worry about that. I would literally just choose this template. It does well for us. You can have a header here so you can label things, but what this does, it's a mobile only experience, and actually it's just been released out to Instagram stories where you could see stories with collections, but it's going to create a preview of a product and then or an image or video, and then below it's going to list several products below here. Just like you would set up anything else, you want to make sure that you have a destination to send people to. You want to have a call to action. You want to make sure that you set up a product set. So for example, we're going to use dresses, so this would be a quote-unquote dresses collection. You can set that up however you would like. So that's the very simple and easy setup, but I want to show you what this looks like, and more importantly, the power behind this collection. So let's jump over to this other campaign that's already been running. All right, so now that we're back into a new collection, we have this one is the new summer arrivals. It's doing really well. It just launched technically. As you can see here, this is a video one. You could use an image. This has right now 69 comments, 12 shares, and if we want to do a preview, I will do a quick view on desktop. Let me see if it will show me what it looks like. Since it's mobile first, it doesn't really have a lot of options for you to preview. It literally will send you a link, so you can go here and get a share link or send a notification to Facebook. Let me just find out here. It's going to send a notification to my phone, and I'll just tell you how much social proof it has. All right, so it has over 18,000 views, 290 likes and comments. There's actually no negative feedback right now, which is even better. But what this does is it just shows the brand to as many people as possible, lowers the cost per acquisition because it gets more shares, and it does a couple of things that Facebook really likes. It opens up an instant experience, so when you click on it, it keeps people on Facebook. It also lets Facebook know, okay, the people who are looking at this, who do go take action and purchase, that they're really liking the experience, which means that they are going to show that ad to more people, and it gets more data. So overall, the collections are going to lower your cost. It's going to give you more brand recognition, and it's overall going to grow your page because you can invite all of these people to like your brand as well. All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you got a lot out of this video. And e-commerce brands have tons of questions about how much should they be spending on Facebook ads. If this is you, leave a comment below with the word calculator.
Can't do anything without a calculator.
And I'm going to share with you a Google spreadsheet so you can plug and play and find out exactly how much you should be spending every single day with your Facebook ads. Oh, and PS guys, don't forget to leave a comment below if you want to learn more about advertising your clothing brand. Make sure to click this video right here and watch the next video if you're ready to jump into some more advanced Facebook ad strategies. All right guys, we'll see you on the next video. See y'all.